there! I'm Leanne. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Shopify discounts, a smart way to attract new customers and keep existing ones coming back. Now, we know that things like product quality, customer experience, and brand values all matter. But here's the thing. According to Medallia research, 49% of households still say price is the biggest factor influencing their spending, twice as much as the next reason. That's why offering discounts is one of the must-have strategies for increasing sales on Shopify. In this video, I will walk you through 4 types of discount Shopify offers, then how to set them up and manage them. Finally, I will introduce you to 16 apps that will enhance your discount power. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest Shopify tips. Let's get started. First up, 4 types of discounts. When it comes to Shopify, there are 4 types of discounts, and they fall into 3 main categories: product discounts, order discounts, and shipping discounts. Let's break this down so you know exactly how each type works and when to use them to boost your sales strategy. Let's start with product discounts. These are all about promoting specific items or collections. You've got 2 options here. The first is amount off products, perfect for clearing out last season's inventory or promoting a hot seller. The other one is buy X, get Y discount. This one drives excitement and boosts sales by rewarding customers with free or discounted items when they buy more. Perfect for upselling and clearing inventory. Now let's talk about order discounts. These apply to the whole cart, which is great for driving up your average order size. Is the kind of nudge customers need to throw in an extra item or two. And finally, shipping discounts, a crowd favorite. Free shipping makes checkout feel like a breeze. No one wants to abandon their cart over a shipping fee, right? E-delivery on all orders or over a certain amount will help you reduce abandoned carts and build customer loyalty. Each discount has its own charm. Product discounts are great for highlighting items. Order discounts push customers to spend a little more. And shipping discounts, they smooth out the final step so nothing stops a customer from checking out. Now that you know the basics, it's time to set them up in your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify dashboard, then go to Discounts. Now hit Create Discount, and you'll see 4 options: amount off products, amount off order, buy X, get Y, and free shipping. I know, seeing all those options can feel a bit overwhelming, but we'll go through them one by one. Let's start with amount off products. The first thing you need to do is pick the method. You've got 2 choices here. You can either create a discount code, which your customers will need to type in at checkout, or you can go with an automatic discount that applies right in the cart, no effort required from the customer. I'll go with the discount code option here. You can generate a random code here or name it. I will name it Winter 10. Now set the discount value. You can choose either a percentage off or a fixed amount. I'll stick with 10 off for this one. Next, decide if this discount applies to specific products or collections. Use the Browse button to find what you need. And if you accidentally add the wrong item, just click X to remove it. Easy peasy. Let's move on to minimum purchase requirements. Shopify gives you 3 options here. You can skip the minimums altogether if you want the discount to apply no matter what. Or you can set a minimum purchase amount, like spend $50 to unlock 10 off. Or if you prefer, you can set a minimum quantity of items. Next up, let's decide who gets to use this discount. In the customer eligibility section, you can offer it to everyone, limit it to specific customer segments, or handpick individual customers. If you need to select individual customers, hit Browse to search your list. Shopify has 5 preset segments, like first-time shoppers and VIP customers, but you can also create your own from the segments page if you want, or add new customers directly from the customers page. Now we're at maximum discount uses. You can set a limit on how many times this discount can be used overall. Maybe only the first 100 customers get access. Or you can limit it to one use per customer to keep things fair. Here's my cool. A Shopify lets customers use up to 5 discount codes in a single order. So if you want to allow them to stack discounts for an even sweeter deal, now's your chance. Almost there. Now let's set the active dates. You'll need to pick a start date. I'll go with November 25th at midnight. And if you want the promo to expire, click Set End Date and select your closing time. I'll wrap this one up on December 31st at 11:59 p.m. If you don't set an end date, the discount will keep going until you manually turn it off. Finally, before you hit save, double-check everything in the summary box. This is your final chance to make sure all the settings are just right. When everything looks good, click Save. Now let's take a quick look at the amount off-order discount. This one works exactly like the product discount above, but instead of applying it to individual products, it applies to the total order amount. You'll still pick your method, name the code, and set the discount value to 10. The rest of the steps are the same. Configure customer eligibility, set limits, choose active dates, and save. Easy, right? Next up is the Buy X, Get I discount, perfect for those buy 2, get 1 free deals. Start by deciding whether the discount kicks in after a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount. Then, choose if it applies to specific products or collections. Use the Browse tool to make your pick. Finally, select whether the discount takes a percentage off or makes the item free. Lastly, let's talk about free shipping discounts. These are quick and easy to set up. Just pick which countries are eligible, either all of them or specific ones. You can also exclude shipping rates over a certain amount to keep your costs under control. Once everything is live, head back to the discount dashboard to keep an eye on things. You can filter your discounts by active, scheduled, or expired and sort them by type, start date, or usage. And that's it! Now you know how to set up and manage Shopify discounts like a pro. And now what you've been waiting for. Get ready to explore the top Shopify discount apps that will give your store's sales a serious boost. We won't take up your time with the full list here. That's what our blog post is for. Head over to the 16 best Shopify discount apps for 2024, where we've reviewed more than 50 apps to bring you only the best of the best. Whether you're just starting your store or already scaling up, we've got something perfect for you. Each app is broken down by best use case, standout feature, and pricing, so you can pick the right one without the hassle. Ready to up your discount game? Check out the link in the description and let's get those sales rolling. If this video helped, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with Shopify discounts. See you next time.